Hello and welcome. Today we'll be creating a program using the scanner in Java. So we're going to start off by creating a new class in our source folder. We're going to call it our scanner program and press enter. So we're going to create our main method, psvm, and it prints out our main method as like so. So we're going to start off by asking the user what is their name. So out hello, what is your name? Oops, that's all in caps. What is your name? So once we've done that, we're going to create a scanner. So this will allow the user to input. If there was no input in your everyday devices, you wouldn't be able to do anything. It'd just be the computer talking to you. So to do this, we write scanner, and as you'll see, IntelliJ automatically imports the scanner for us. That's one thing you have to do if you haven't got IntelliJ. So we write scanner, and we're going to call this name input equals new scanner, and then in the brackets system.in. So this will allow the user to input their name. So now that we've got that, we can create a string variable now. String name equals name input dot next line. So this tells us that whatever the users put in name input is what name is equal to. So now we're going to put out hello space plus name, and then we're going to also write our second sentence, which will be how are you. And then once we've done that, we're going to create another scanner. So scanner mood input equals new scanner system in, and now we're going to create our string variable again. String mood equals mood input dot next line. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use an if statement so that the computer can tell the user different things based on their moods. But right now, what we're going to do is test it works. So let's just run this. And as we can see, it says hello, what is your name? T minus tech. And it says hello T minus tech, how are you? And it says good. And that's it. So as I said previously, we'll learn how to output different sentences based on the user's mood, but that will be for next lesson, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.